Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Pearl Valley School System online classes. I am your class teacher Rimsha Ahmed. I hope you all are fine. This is the first lecture of your science subject from the book New Oxford Primary Science. So the title of the chapter is the health and safety. First, we have our physical health. This means being fit physically and in the absence of any kind of diseases or illness. When you have good physical health, you will have a longer lifespan. Your body is like a machine. If you cut yourself, the wound will soon heal if it is kept clean. To keep the body working well, we have to look after it properly. Good food, plenty of exercise, fresh air, enough sleep, and clean habits all help the body to last a long time. It cannot be stressed enough that health is the primary thing, after which everything else follows. When you maintain good health, everything else falls into place. Secondly, you must exercise daily. It will help your body maintain physical fitness. Some exercises, such as walking or playing in the playground, requires little effort. One may maintain their physical health by having a balanced diet. We need to eat a balanced diet to stay healthy. A balanced diet is eating a wide variety of foods in the right amounts and having the right amount of food and drink to achieve and maintain a healthy body weight. Here is a guide to the amounts of bread, rice and grains, meat, fish, nuts and eggs, milk and dairy products, fruit and vegetables, and fats and sugars we should eat. Sleep and rest. Everyone needs sleep, but many of us have problem with it. Your body and your brain need to rest. When we sleep well, we feel refreshed. An 8-year-old usually needs about 10 hours of sleep every night. If you do not get enough sleep, your body and your brain can be affected. You may feel grumpy, unable to concentrate, and not have. Staying safe. The world around us is a pleasant place, but it can be dangerous too. It is important for us to look carefully before we do anything and think before we act. You spend most of your time at home, in school, on your street, or at the playground. At home, electricity is very useful. It makes many things work. Electricity is very powerful. An electric shock can kill a human. This is why all electrical machines and wires are covered with the plastic. Electricity cannot pass through plastic. In the kitchen, never go near the stove. Keep clear of food that is cooking. Boiling water can burn the skin. Hot oil can cause bad burns. Never play with razors, glass or medicines. At school, bad behavior leads to many accidents. This is why there are school rules. Follow the rules and you will not hurt yourself or others. The following are certain road safety rules and information that you must be aware of. Hands while crossing the road. Say no to running. Always look left and right. Try to cross at the zebra crossing. Aware of each traffic sign. Play within boundaries. Wear a helmet. And be safe, then feel sorry. I am going to tell you about first aid. You know what is first aid? It means any help and assistance whenever anyone get injured. Necessary medical help given to person before going to doctor is called first aid. You have to take special care of injured person. Do not crowd around the injured one. It will cause suffocation. Secondly, don't move the body of injured person as it can damage the bone and cause a pain to person. You have to call a doctor or ambulance to take the patient to hospital. In this chapter, we learn about our health, exercise, balanced food, and some safety measures. You must remember these measures in your daily life, okay? Thank you. Please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon.